Hello everyone, I'm Jack Slavinskis. I'm one of the founders of LignoFiber, and I'm here to share with you how we're using trees to revolutionize the supercapacitor industry. So supercapacitors are energy storage devices. They are very, very similar to batteries, but they can charge and discharge much faster. This is important for electric vehicles and the other technologies that need really quick bursts of power that the regular batteries just can't do. For example, in electric cars, supercapacitors provide energy for rapid acceleration and braking. Inside a supercapacitor, activated carbon is used because it has a huge surface area that can hold and release electrical charges quickly. However, current activated carbon doesn't store as much energy as we need for these demanding applications, which limits what supercapacitors can do in cars and other applications. Our flagship product is premium activated carbon derived from lignin, which makes up 25% of every tree. Lignin's job in a tree is to act like a natural glue, which gives the tree its strength and structure. It's the second most common material in nature, but it has mostly been thrown away by the paper industry because it just doesn't make good paper. In fact, over 120 million tons of lignin are burned each year. What's exciting about lignin is that it already contains about 65% carbon, and its structure is naturally similar to the porous network that's already found in activated carbon, which just makes it an excellent material for producing activated carbon with minimal processing. The global activated carbon market is valued at 4.78 billion euros, with the niche 3% being held by the global supercapacitor industry. Europe holds 25% of the supercapacitor market, making it the second largest player. In Europe alone, the market for supercapacitor grade activated carbon is valued at 35 million euros, with our beachhead market, Germany, leading the charge at 10.5 million euros. Within this market, supercapacitors represent a rapidly growing segment fueled greatly by the German automotive industry's shift towards electrification. This data highlights our value per euro. While wood and coconut shell offer higher surface areas than coal or peat, coal and peat are just much cheaper. LignoFiber's lignin-based activated carbon provides the best of both worlds. It's as cost efficient as coal and peat while delivering high surface areas like wood and coconut shell. This results in a 52% better value than coal and an 87% better value than coconut shell alternatives. LignoFiber's activated carbon offers a wide range of customizable grades, making it suitable for more applications than the traditional materials. This is because lignin surface is easier to manipulate compared to the other raw materials, and as a result, our activated carbon can actually boost power and energy density by 15%, while also being 33% more cost efficient than the coconut shell based alternatives. We've reached over 110 companies with more than 30 from the energy storage industry. Recent shifts in trade policies are making Chinese imports insanely costly. Europe tariffs on Chinese goods range from 60 to 80%. And just last week, the US announced a 100% tariff on Chinese imports, along with a ban on Chinese electric vehicles and parts. These changes are driving up costs and disrupting supply chains for many industries. So now switching to non-Chinese manufacturing like lignin-based activated carbon offers a more cost-effective and sustainable alternative in these shifting market conditions. And this is what is possible with just our pilot plant. Keep in mind that in full capacity, we can exceed 50,000 tons per year. With a sales price of 3,125 euros per ton and production cost of 2,500 per ton, we're looking at a profit of 625 euros per ton, which gives us a profit margin of 20%. Producing 1,700 tons per year, we can capture 10% of our beachhead market for a profit of 1.05 million a year. Our pilot plant will reduce CO2 emissions by 680 tons per year compared to coconut shell-based activated carbon, and by 14,960 tons compared to coal-based carbon. This is because our raw material, lignin, is easier to ship in bulk, yields more activated carbon due to its ability to withstand higher processing temperatures, and requires less energy overall to complete the carbonization process. We're LignoFiber, a team of 2 engineers from the US with the shared mission to create the world's highest performance activated carbon. But lignin's potential will go far beyond that. There's over 100 billion euros in other carbon materials that lignin can replace, from graphite powder to carbon fibers. We're unlocking lignin's full potential to drive innovation in eco-friendly solutions, and we're confident that lignin and the materials we develop from it will change the world. And that's my 5 minutes. So thank you.